Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Today we're going to be doing a bloom similar to the one I did before in the last video, but we are going to change up the colors a little bit. We'll be starting out with a mixture of Naples yellow and unbleached titanium, and I have Old Gold by Artist Loft. Then I have Payne's Gray. And for the first time over that, I'll be using Hoity Toity, which is a this little piggy. And I will be using white cell activator. Not quite as much as that, as the last time. And there we go. And next we'll use our white cell activator. Okay, let me be a little more careful this time. Okay, well that turned out better. I still might have put a little bit too much of the white cell activator on it. So I'll wait a minute. Let's see if I can get some cells. You see, as I do that, it kind of, oops, it makes the cells that are there kind of coming through to the middle like that. And so be careful not to use too much. Okay. If all else fails, okay, let's do some All right, let's spin this out. I don't like the very center, but everything else is looking quite nice. Oh, I like when I do the doodling, it kind of just adds movement. Wonder if I don't have it here. Just adding little color. And I wonder when it dries how the hoity-toity give kind of a purplish reddish kind of tint to it. Okay, I think I'll stop there for now.